Put it in the hat. All right, get all the eggs and put them in the hat. Because I don't know where I put your basket. Here, put it in the hat. Oh, what did you find? What is that, mister? Oops. No, you gotta take off the wrapping. Gonna put them in the hat, honey? Good. Gotta follow the trail of eggs. You're gonna put them in the hat.
Orange, blue, orange.
Yeah. Get all the eggs.
Pink, pink, blue, black.
That's getting pretty full, eh? You know what? Maybe get your McQueen bucket off of your Thomas table. Are you organizing them? You're so cute. Ooh. You know what, Sawyer? I think we're going to need a bucket. Good job. Oh, sorry, I just found your basket. There's your basket. Here, put the eggs in the basket. Your monkey basket. That's where they're supposed to go. Let me just figure out where she put it. You came to the end of the trail. What did the bunny leave you?
Apple number.
What's all that? What'd you find? Whoa. Those are special eggs.
Victor.
Victor, is that for you? Good job. All right. You gonna go find the rest of them? There's more in the dining room, baby.
More.
Yeah, there's more in the dining room over here. That way. That way. Oh, you missed one right here, honey. What? Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Around the corner, honey. In here. Right in here, there's some more that you missed. Oh, over there. Oh, just one. Wow, you did pretty well at this. Do you want to start opening them? Yeah, that's a one. I think that's all, baby. I think you got them all. Yeah, I think you have them all, babe. Let's go see what else the Easter Bunny brought you. Wow. Wow, that's a lot of eggs. Eh?
I made a lot of eggs.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What do you think, Chum? You have a lot of eggs.
My lot of eggs on the towel.
Who brought you all those eggs? Do you know? Did the Easter Bunny bring you all those eggs? Did you see the other things the Easter Bunny brought you, babe? Are you going to get Victor? You're organizing your eggs? Swear. Say thank you, Easter Bunny.
It's a bunny.
Good job.